Yeah, I'm just sharing my screen to you. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's go with this part now. Is it okay? This part, this is the only thing, right? So till here you got it now. Let's understand how do we do that part, okay? So here I'll just put, okay. Now here you have mentioned as A, you know, A by, what was that? X. This will become X plus
A by X plus 1.
A by X plus 1, right? Okay, this is what you have mentioned. Then plus B by X minus 1. Correct?
Yeah.
Plus
Yes,
C by X minus 1 whole square.
Yeah.
X minus 1 whole square. Is it okay?
Hmm.
This is what is done, right? Okay. Now what we'll do, we'll just take the LCM of this part, right? What is the LCM basically for this? X
minus 1 whole square
plus 1 into X minus 1.
X minus 1 into X minus 1 whole square.
That's it. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, their time up. How much? Where you are now?
Yeah, sir, I'm just finishing this question.
Okay, I'll just run the stopwatch for you. Yeah, correct? It's fine, Vijay? Now,
Yeah.
A will be X plus 1 divided with X plus 1, so it will be nothing. So A into X minus 1 whole square, isn't it?
Yeah.
Plus B, X minus 1 is there. So B will be, what is left now? X minus 1 divided here. So it will become X minus 1 into X plus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct? Any questions, any doubt?
No, sir.
Correct, no? Now C part. X minus 1 whole square you divide with denominator. So X minus 1 whole square X 1. So it will become only left is X plus 1. Correct? Right?
Yes, sir.
Now entire this numerator has to be mapped equal to this numerator. This numerator is 3x plus 5. And this numerator also is here. This should be equal. Right?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now this has, we'll expand it, make equate it now. Let's say equate it now. Let's put a 3x plus 5 here. 3x plus 5 will be equal to, we'll expand it now. A, what is that? X minus 1 whole square is x square. X square plus 1 minus 2x, correct?
Yeah.
Plus b. B is nothing but x plus 1 into x minus 1 will be x square minus 1 plus c x minus 1 x plus 1, right?
Yeah.
X plus 1, this is x plus 1, right? So this is x plus 1 because x minus 1 whole square, so left is x plus 1, right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll map it now. Now what is the x square coefficient here? Is there we have any x square coefficient here? Nothing. So it will be 0 x square, right? So 0 x square plus, correct? Now look at what is the coefficient of x square here? A is there, B is there, right?
Yes, sir.
So a plus b, so plus sign is there, so a plus b will be equal to 0. First equation, correct? Next,
Yeah.
minus 2x and plus cx. So minus 2x means minus 2a, minus 2a and plus c, correct?
Yeah.
So minus 2a plus c, correct, will be equal to 3, right?
Yeah, sir, I'm done.
Done? Oh, good, excellent. One moment. Now I'll stop the time. How much time you took? 33 minutes, right? Okay, clear this part? Next one, constant. Here it is a, here is minus b, here it is c, correct? So it will be a minus b plus c is equal to 5, correct? So you got 3 equations. Now you need to solve for the a, b, c, isn't it?
Yeah.
Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Now look here, a plus b equal to 0, so here it will become a equal to minus b, right?
Yeah.
Now a equal to minus b, so minus b is equal to a, so it will become 2a plus c. So a equal to minus b, so minus b is nothing but you can replace it here. So this equation will become a plus a, 2a plus c equal to 5, isn't it? And you have minus 2a plus c equal to 3. Minus 2a plus c equal to 3, correct?
Yes,
Now you
sir.
just add it. What will get now? This will get cancelled. So 2c will be equal to 8. So c will be equal to 4, correct? When c we got equal to 4, so substitute in this minus 2a plus c equal to this one. So here what will get? A will be minus 2a will be equal to 3 minus 4 minus 1. So a will be equal to 1 by 2. Then b is basically negative of a. B will be equal to minus 1 by 2. Got it?
Yeah.
So you got a is 1 by 2, b is minus 1 by 2, c is 4. Now you substitute it here and integrate it. Simple. Any questions, any doubts?
No, sir. Clear.
You got stuck where how to find the ABC value, right?
Yeah.
Now did you get?
Yes, I got it now.
Now it's easy.
Yeah.
Just put the value and take the logs. A and B you can take easily log, and the x minus 1 you can just apply the nx n plus nx power n formula. Nx n power n plus 1 by n plus 1, correct? X power n plus
Yeah.
1 by n plus 1. Yeah. Done, clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, so I'll just share it with you. It was simple, not difficult as such. So where you were getting stuck?
Sir?
Huh?
Yup.
Yeah, I had a question.
Okay,
22nd B part.